This is little Birdie, and he was a stray. He came into the Oceanside shelter. His wings weren't clipped, so I imagine he got away from his owner.
Oh yeah? What do you say about that? Are you a good boy? You a good boy? Are you? What'd you say? Are you a good boy? You are a good boy? You done singing for tonight?
So this is to show that you can get a great bird from an animal shelter too. You don't necessarily have to go to a breeder. See, look at him. But he sings and he loves to whistle songs on my shoulder, and he just loves when he does it to get attention too. Oh, it is. Oh, you want your shoulder back. You want Mama's shoulder back, don't you? So this is, oh, see?
He is so sweet. Do you know how old he is?
No, the shelter estimated a year, but you know, nobody can tell. Once a bird sexually matures, you really can't. I imagine he's very young. He's very spry. But like, this is a great bird that, you know, I got from an animal shelter. So, you know, what can I say? Look at that.
I am so excited to announce that we have new toys at our toy store at parrotplayhouse.com for your birds, and we have been receiving 5-star ratings after 5-star ratings of happy birds and happy owners. What's so cool about our toys, many of them are designed for foraging, so you can hide your bird's favorite treats, favorite pellets inside our toys and let them watch you the first time you hide their favorite treats or pellets in the toys. And we also sell our toys individually or in a bundle at an incredible price. All of our toys are natural and they are 100% safe for your parrots. There's no plastic, no cotton rope, no scary beads, no terrible pear-shaped links. Your birds will be safe with Parrot Playhouse toys.